Basic psychology. The function of the endocrine system. The endocrine system is a network of glands that secrete hormones to regulate various physiological processes in the body.
Wow, I didn't know that. Can you tell me more about how the endocrine system works?
Absolutely. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system to maintain homeostasis, or balance, in the body.
Homeostasis? What does that mean?
Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment, like temperature, blood sugar levels, and hormone levels.
I see. So, what are some of the main glands in the endocrine system?
The main glands include the pituitary, adrenal, thyroid, and reproductive glands like the ovaries and testes.
And what do these glands do?
Each gland produces different hormones that have specific functions. For example, the thyroid gland regulates metabolism, while the adrenal glands produce hormones that help the body respond to stress. The pituitary gland and hormones. The pituitary gland is considered the master gland of the endocrine system. It's connected to and controlled by the hypothalamus in the brain.
Oh, I didn't know that. What makes the pituitary gland so important?
The pituitary gland releases hormones that regulate various bodily functions, like growth, metabolism, and reproduction.
Wow, that's fascinating. Can you give me some examples of the hormones it produces?
Sure, the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland releases oxytocin and vasopressin. Oxytocin helps with childbirth and bonding, while vasopressin regulates water balance.
I see. And what about the anterior lobe?
The anterior lobe releases hormones like ACTH, which triggers the adrenal glands to release cortisol in response to stress. It also produces LH and FSH, which are crucial for reproductive function. The adrenal glands and hormones. The adrenal glands are located above the kidneys and are made up of two parts, the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla.
What are the different functions of these two parts?
The adrenal cortex releases glucocorticoid hormones like cortisone, cortisol, and corticosterone, as well as mineralocorticoids that help maintain water balance.
And what about the adrenal medulla?
The adrenal medulla releases adrenaline and noradrenaline, which are part of the body's fight-or-flight response to deal with stressful situations.
Wow, so the adrenal glands have a big impact on our body's functions and responses.
Exactly, the glucocorticoids help release stored glucose and fats for energy, while the adrenaline and noradrenaline increase heart rate and blood flow to the muscles and brain.